Hello everyone. Welcome to this video on creating an HR training feedback dashboard in Bold BI, where you'll learn how to build a dashboard in Bold BI to analyze employee training effectiveness and feedback insights. This tutorial walks you through collecting feedback data, tracking key metrics, and creating interactive visualizations. Monitor training satisfaction, performance improvements, and engagement levels in one unified dashboard. Let's start by creating a new dashboard and naming it HR Training Feedback Dashboard. Connect some HR training feedback data that's stored in PostgreSQL and enter the required connection details: the data source name, server name, port, username, password, and database name. Select Connect to open the Query Designer. Drag the HR Training Participation Details table to the Query Designer. Then, drag in the HR Trainer table details and enter the join condition. Drag in the post-training support details and add the join condition. Select Run to preview the data and confirm that the records are retrieved correctly. Then save the data source. Add a combo box and name it Select Course. Add the course to the Values section. In the Basic Settings section, enable Multi-Select and click Allow Filter. In the Filter section, disable Persist Virtual Selection. Under Container Appearance, set the font size. Add a number card and name it Positive Feedback Count. Add the expression for promoters. Drag the promoters to the Measure section. In the Appearance settings, change the horizontal alignment to center. In the Measure section, adjust font size. In the Title section, disable Auto Font Size and change position to top. Under Animation, select Enable Animation. Add a number card and name it Neutral Feedback Count. Add the expression for passive and drag it to the Measure section. Customize its properties. Add a number card and name it Negative Feedback Count. Add the expression for detractors. And drag it to the Measure section. Customize its properties. Add a number card and name it Learning Retention Rate. Add the expression for learning retention rate and drag it to the Measure section. Enter the % symbol on the right. Customize its properties. Add another number card and name it Total Participants. Drag the feedback to the Measure section. Customize its properties. Next, add a number card and name it Training Delivery Effectiveness. Add the expression for training delivery effectiveness and drag it to the Measure section. Change the format to Average and enter the % symbol on the right. Customize its properties. Add a number card. And name it Participant Engagement Score. Drag the engagement score to the Measure section. And change the format to Average. Enter the percent symbol on the right. Customize its properties. Add a column chart. And name it Satisfaction Survey Results. Enter the expression for overall satisfaction. And add it to both the value and column sections. Under Basic Settings, enable animation. And show the value label. In the Legend settings, disable interactivity. In Axis, disable both Show Axis titles. Under Container Appearance, change the font size. Add an area chart. And name it Training Satisfaction Rate Trend. Drag the satisfaction rate to the Value section. Add Training Start Date to the column field. Change the format to month-year. And set the relative date filter to the last 6 months. Customize its properties. Add a bar chart. And name it Trainer Effectiveness Trend. Add the expressions for completed training. And Trainer Effectiveness. Drag Trainer Effectiveness to the Value section. Add the Trainer ID to the column field. Customize its properties. Next, add a line chart. And name it Net Promoter Score Trend. Add the expressions for promoter percentage, detractors percentage, and NPS. Add NPS to the Value section. Then, add the Training Start Date to the Column section. Format it to month-year. And set the relative date filter to the last 6 months. In the Basic Settings section, enable animation. In the Legend settings, disable interactivity. In the Axis section, disable both the Axis titles. In the Container Appearance, adjust the font size. Now everything is ready to preview the dashboard. Click Preview and the dashboard will render in preview mode. When I select a course in the combo box, data in the other widgets is updated. You can publish the dashboard by selecting Publish button. In this video, you've learned how to create an HR training feedback dashboard in Bold BI. To learn more about Bold BI, visit boldbi.com. To try Bold BI, start a 30-day free trial by clicking the Try It Free option. If you want a demo from an expert, click the Request Demo button to schedule a call. If you found this video useful, please click the like button. Subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.